What are some flowers that I can add to our garden to encourage pollination? This is Harmon from Hickson, Tennessee, and Hickson, right outside of Chattanooga.
Yeah.
So Harmon, this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get out of the way, and we're going to let Natalie and Celeste just have at it, all right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So not only pollination for your crops benefit, but maybe even some beneficial insect support. And I mean, it's not ugly on the side of your garden to have flowers, right? Yeah. So some of the things that would come to, like, you would have annual options. You would even have perennial options. You could think about, the bee balm, the options that could be like cut flowers. Think about sunflowers. Some of the cover crops could be a benefit in certain periods of time. Your clover or something in the spring, buckwheat I tend to think of in the summer.
So just generally speaking, flowers that are in the Asteraceae family are very attractive.
Wow, did you hear that?
So lots of, I know, well, are very attractive to a number of bee pollinators, not only honeybees, but native bees, bumblebees. So, including that, and that is a wide range of flowers, some things that you might not even consider. But think of like open face flowers, sunflowers would fall into that category, obviously asters, and the list goes on and on. I mean, even yarrows and many of our perennial plants would fall into those categories. So just in general terms of what types of plants would bring those in, that would be a good family of plants to look into.
Yeah, and then I would think about things like establishment. Are we talking about a perennial bed that is alongside a garden area, or are we talking about things that we would want to direct seed at a similar time frame of our garden?
Right. So zinnias are always really beautiful, and everybody, not everybody, lots of people want to have a row of zinnias out there with their flowers, and they do bring in butterflies, later in the season, but I don't know that they would be super excellent at intentionally bringing in pollinators for your other crops. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Some of the herbs might be options.
Oh yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nearly all of the herbs fall in the
Dill and things like
Asteraceae
that. Yeah,
family.
okay.
Yes, for sure. Mints, they love those blooms.
How about that? All right, Harmon, they can go on and on and on. I'll just jump back in here and
we
say,
won't.
that was good. Nah, that was good. So thank you for that question, Harmon. And yeah, you can go to your local extension office there. Yeah, they would have some publications for you. Or how about uthort.com? Could be an option as well. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.